island hopping. From sand to volcanoes.
Our English-speaking guide will be waiting for you at the airport in Baltra, who will then take you to the port in Santa Cruz Island for lunch. Afterwards, we will take the public speedboat to Isabela at 2 p.m., which lasts approximately 2.5 hours. After arriving at Isabela, we will take a brief rest at the hotel and eat dinner in the night. Early in the morning we will prepare ourselves for a snorkeling daily tour to Cape Rose tunnels. During the rest of this day you will be able to rent bicycles. We suggest visiting the Wall of Tears and the breeding center of giant tortoises on your own. We will prepare ourselves for the Sierra Negra volcano, the biggest volcano in the Galapagos Islands. Then, Chico volcano before heading back, which should provide a spectacular view of the incredible moon-like terrain. Afterwards we will prepare ourselves for the visit to Tintoreras Isla. We will take the public speedboat from Isabela to Puerto Ira, 2.5 hour estimated travel time. Upon arrival, a driver will be waiting for you to transfer from Puerto Ira to Baltra Airport, where you will catch your return flight. Depending on the time of the flights, we may be able to visit two sunken holes, similar to craters, known as Los Gemelos.